In today's digital service economy, government agencies, like all other industries, are changing and face a proliferation of cyber threats, more data points, an increase in applications, demands for better ways of working, and increased resident and ratepayers' customer experience expectations, just to name a few. With time pressure and budget constraints holding you back, there is no need to rush digitalisation without planning your desired future state securely. What if there was a better way to roadmap your future, bridge the digital divide, and accelerate innovation and agility to meet your mandate? Now, better together with CSA, we offer end-to-end solutions and applications to government agencies at the local and state level, so you can transform public service delivery for the better. And for over 2 decades, our collaborative, consultative approach and broad suite of end-to-end solutions has made us the trusted partner that delivers and services local councils across Australia. Imagine a reliable, fit-for-purpose network that is scalable and simplified, delivering better experiences. Ongoing visibility and cyber assurance across your digital footprint, protecting critical operations and data. Communicating with your team, ratepayers and residents, delivering greater efficiency and enhancing customer experiences. And most importantly, accelerating your ability to innovate with access to highly available, always-on applications to meet your mandate. Committed to supporting your scaling digital initiatives, we can assist you to improve your project outcomes and deliver better user and ratepayer experiences. A solid foundation for speed and accuracy with modernised infrastructure and cloud technologies. Protect data and build operational resiliency. Automate processes. Look to the future with Nexon.